today we are going to be making ourselves a little whirlpool or cyclone, either way you want to call it. And we're going to make it look all pretty and nice and snazzy, if you want to call it that. So we have our glitter and our water. And so essentially what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking some glitter from here and probably spilling it. But hopefully most of it makes it into here. I am back, and I apologize, but I don't trust myself. I grabbed myself this little, we're going to be using it to pour the glitter into the bottle because it's a big spoon with a tiny hole. And I just don't like the odds of me not spilling it everywhere. I am a bit of a klutz, but you know, as long as you're mostly safe, that's good for science, I think. I spilled some of it, but it could have been a lot worse. So I'm going to just kind of dump this out and make sure you have adult supervision so that way they can help you not be as bad at pouring as I am. How much is in there? There was a lot more than I expected there to be, and I kept overestimating, or I guess underestimating how much would come out. I'm gonna need to take a shower, but that's okay. We can do that after the science. So now hopefully this goes better. I imagine it will. So now we have all the glitter at the bottom. That's a fair amount in there versus on the table. I'm going to pour the water in. And we don't want to fill it up all the way. But we also don't want to spill all over the sides and everything. I think I'll only spill a little bit. There's a little bit more. And that should be good. All of the glitter has risen to the top. I think that's the right word. I'm a scientist, not a linguist. And so what we're going to do is flip it over and make sure it's tight. And then we make a circular motion for a while, about 10 to 15 seconds. And as we spin this around, the water is obviously, going to spin around with it. And so as we make this, eventually what we can do is we can set it down. And we notice all of the glitter going around in this neat little cyclone. That didn't exactly go how I planned. We might watch a video and do this again. Disregard everything that I have said. I am a fraud, and I will be back. Hey, welcome back. So a couple things. I took off the label so that way it's easier to see what's happening. Not that that'll help much anyway, because I had way too much glitter. So be sure when you do this at home, don't use much glitter. Probably if you put 1 to 2 teaspoons, or tablespoons, I guess is what this is, that should do it. Just don't use as much as me. But anyway, just to show you again, you spin it in a circular motion. And what's happening here is something called centripetal force. And so that's the force of things going in a circular motion. And so when you stop it, it continues to go in that circular motion. And you can kind of see, it's hard to see, but when it's spinning fast, there is a little vortex that shows up in the middle. You can kind of see that cone of the glitter. That's where that ends up stopping. But yeah, again, you're welcome to try this on your own. I'm not going to stop you. Never going to stop you. Don't use as much glitter. And I think, yeah, basically, moral of the story, don't use so much glitter. I've learned that lesson now, and I'll keep that in mind. But otherwise, if you'd like to give it a go, give it a go. Hey, you guys have a good day.